Here is a view of the underside of a factory accessory trailer for a Pengor Penguin Amphibious ATV. The Pengor Penguin was made in Ottawa, Ontario in 1963 and in Carleton Place, Ontario in 1964, and this trailer was available as an accessory. It is also amphibious, and in this view we can see how the tongue of the trailer simply bolts to the floor. We can also see the tires, which are actually the same tires, rims, axles, bearings that are used on the rear of the Penguin. Now, in this view here of the inside, we can see the wheel wells that take up a bit of space inside the trailer. But the rear wheels off the Penguin being used on the trailer here would provide flotation not only in the water but on soft ground. And on the floor of the trailer there are two holes. The inside floor is flat, but there are holes here to access the seal housings, which actually contain grease fittings so the bearings for the axle can be greased. Both wheels are keyed to the axle and turn at the same time, so if you try to spin this around quickly without it connected to a machine, it's a little difficult because both tires want to turn at the same time. Here's a view of the rear of the trailer, and on the rear we see handles the same as what are used on the rear of the Penguin. We can also see a stiffener at the front, and there's actually one of those at the back here. You can see it. Now this trailer isn't in perfect condition. I received it disassembled and incomplete. I had to find the handles, put a set of rims and tires and an axle on it, and put new bearings in it, and make a tongue and find a coupler. The tongue might not be the right dimension, and the coupler is too new to look original, but anyway, it works. So there again is the factory accessory trailer for the amphibious Pengor Penguin ATV.